Landscape pros need their equipment to do one thing: take every job to the next level every time. When your most trusted tools need replacing or expanding crews need supplies, trust SiteOne for the biggest selection and best guidance, plus financing options that fit your bottom line. Whether you work in irrigation, agronomics, lighting, nursery, or hardscapes, our experts can help you find what you need. From spreaders, sprayers, and motorized equipment, to hardworking, dependable, long-handled tools, we have all the gear to get the job done. And at SiteOne.com, you can get real-time access to inventory and pricing, place orders online, and get industry insights and training videos. SiteOne is here to help you stay productive every hour on the job, every day, for years to come, with whatever your job site demands. Because you stand behind your work. That's why we proudly stand behind you.